In today's video, I will show you how to create smooth video transition on CapCut. Import video with multiple clips, and you can slow down clip speed using optical flow for smoother playback. Cut video into individual clips, delete any parts you don't need, making the video more manageable. Select each clip individually. Add optic keyframes. Add opacity keyframes at the beginning and end of each clip. Set first keyframe at 100% and the second one at 50% opacity. Now add white background overlay and place it on the top of your video clips. Adjust size to cover each clip. Go to animation and then fade out. And make duration extend until the end of each clip. Change the blend mode to overlay in basic settings. Adjust opacity if needed. Copy and paste white background overlay for each clip. Ensure fade out duration covers the entire clip. Go to the effects and add halo blur to each video clip. Set speed to 100% and strength to around 30-35. Copy and paste the effect for each clip, adjusting settings as needed. Fine-tune settings, duration, and opacity to achieve desired look. Ensure each effect is applied consistently across all clips. Once satisfied, export video with smooth transition effect. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing and liking video.